up, guys? Back at the shop. I googled, did some research, and it looks like I don't have to pull the swap. It seems like I can just unbolt transmission, not from the bell housing, but like farther out. Like bell housing is gonna stay on the car, and I think it's gonna be easier to pull it that way. I also got a new slave cylinder, and I got this kit that basically goes in there, and then I won't have to be rolling under the car and bleeding it. I can just bleed it out of the engine bay. It's probably gonna land somewhere in this area. I'm gonna have to mess around and see where exactly it's gonna land, but right now I'm gonna quickly jump under the car and unbolt transmission, pull it, and I probably won't be recording it just because it's so uncomfortable. I will though show you what I mean. Oh, it's right here. Got it. If you know E46, you know what I'm talking about. It's these bolts right here versus unbolting it from over there. So I think all you need to do is just drop everything down, unbolt it right over here, all the way around, and they should come out. So there's some disassembling to do, but that's what I gotta do. Alright guys, it's off. It wasn't even that bad. I do need to buy a transmission jack. And it's most likely this thing, something here. I don't know if this thing rubbed through. Or what. I'm gonna take it out, clean it up real nice since it's sealed. Quickly replace this thing and do some more stuff, but right now the engine's just resting. Actually the person who had this car contacted me, and they said it was their car, and they said the clutch is new, so I'm gonna go take a look at that, see how it looks, and slap it back together. Alright guys, so took the old one off right here. I'm not sure what exactly is, I think there must be that, but junk. So I got this kit. I don't know if I mentioned, it's by Chase Bays. Basically it's gonna eliminate all this nonsense, and the long one, this one, will go from E46 pedal, right from the pedal, this side into here, and then the small one, instead of me bleeding under the car, this one's gonna extend it all the way out. So right now I ordered it from E56 to E46, but for some reason some of the fittings don't work, so I'm gonna go to my local hydraulic store and have them pick me the right ones, so I eliminate all this bulky nonsense and stuff. So quick update. I came back from the place. They were able to find me fittings to fit my supply line, but unfortunately they didn't find anything to fit my bleeder thing. I might be able to order it online, but for now I'm just gonna put it in. I can't wait. I want to wait, so I did put this one in, and now since it's a little bit wider and then less, like obviously less flex in it, I had to notch my transmission a little bit. Nothing crazy, nothing structural, and now it fits right in. So I don't think it hits. It's pretty close over there. You gotta go down a little bit. yeah, so it's just like this. There's room for everything now. I'm gonna quickly bolt it up and then throw the transmission back in the car. Transmission is back on, and it was a lot of pain to, you know, put it back in. So now this line is hooked up on top of the transmission, and basically you disconnect a hard line. I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can. This hard line was going into that, into this thing, and into the floor through there. So now I'm gonna push my other line through the hole and connect it up to there, and there should be one line without any connections, and it should be good. And if you go underneath, there is a hole for this line. So now I'm gonna try to shove it in there. So I just got a delivery of a new car in front of me. I bought it on just pure accident. I thought it was something else, and then I bid on it cheap, and then no one overbid me. So now I have this car. So it is a 2008 Ford Mustang. I thought it was a V8. I don't know why I did that. So, you know, I bid on it, put $1,000. I got it for $1,000. It is a V6. I thought it was a V8 for some dumb reason, but it's red. It's not too badly wrecked. It is manual, and it has, it's dead. It's also dead. But it has like 145,000 miles. Look at that. What the heck? All right. So I do have a radio in the back. I don't know what to do with this car. I don't want it, but I thought I'll share it with you guys that I have it now. I do want to open the trunk. Let's see what's hiding in there. Oh wow. Ah, it smells. Kinda smells like smoke. Ooh, look at that. Look at those wires. Oh my gosh. Probably it's almost been. It's supposed to be, I don't know, it's supposed to be like that. It was rear-ended, but there you guys have it. I might post it for sale as is. I might fix it. I don't know yet. But like I said, seems like if he flew off the road into, you know, railing. This side a little messed up, but if you look under the hood, the damage isn't too bad. At least it seems like it. I don't know how structural this is, but the frame is right here. It's not damaged at all. So what do you guys think I should do with this car? It was really cheap. I don't really care. It's a V6 manual, 5-speed, so what can I do with it? Any suggestions? They're so cool. I need a trailer like this. That's awesome. Now I'm gonna throw a couple more garbage pieces on top and take it all out to a scrapyard. A couple days later, I'm not sure where I left off, but transmission's in, and now I need to hook up a shifter and then drive shaft, and then bleed my clutch again, and hopefully it's gonna work. Clutch bled, everything hooked up, drive shaft's hooked up, clutch feels phenomenal. Has a little loose, maybe I need to do a little bit more, but it feels really good. Comes back, you know, not tight anymore. So I don't know what the issue was, but I think the tube that was initially on, I don't know where it's at, but it was broken off. I mean, it was pinched, so that's fixed. Right now we're gonna bleed the coolant, put the wheels on, and try to drive it. So right now he's working on moving the Mustang out of the way, and we're gonna take this out of the way and then hopefully drive it out. So it's down on the ground, almost lost it, but I'm gonna attempt to drive it. Hopefully everything goes well. It's been a while. I'm pretty sure it's getting dark outside, but I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Also, my camera has 9%, so good luck. Nothing seems to melt or leak. I'm gonna try to drive it a little bit. We'll see what happens.